Hey friends, it's Brenda. I'm going to show you how to make this cute bee critter. And at the end of the video, Mr. Snuggles is going to make a cameo, so you want to stick around for that. Alright, well, you're going to need for this is black, yellow, and white. Plus I'm using a number 12 filbert brush and a number 1 round brush. All of the materials I'm using are linked in the description below. Okay, let's get to painting. Grab your number 12 filbert brush and load it up in your yellow. And you're just going to make a not perfect circle. It can be a very loose circle for the head. And then for the body, it is just one big teardrop. You push down and twirl it in and end it in a little point. If you want it to be more like a bee, make it less pointy. And then with the same brush, rinse it out, dip it into your white, and make a skinny teardrop and a fat teardrop for the little wings. Then go straight into the eyeball. I like to make it big. You can make it whatever size you like. And then with your number 1 round brush, swoosh it into your black. And I'm going to give it some little fuzzies. You can give it more fuzzies or less fuzzies or no fuzzies. It's up to you. And just outline the whole thing. Alright, rinse out your brush and then dip it into your white. So this is the number 1 round brush, and I'm going to give him a little highlight there and some highlights just to find those little whites in the eyes and some highlights on the head. You don't have to do it, it's optional. I forgot his little smile. You can do that too or not, leave it out. Make it a little smile or a little smile with a little cheek. And then back with my white for the little bee chemtrail. You can also give them little feet if you want. I didn't do it on this, but you can add whatever you like. And that is it. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below or give it a thumbs up. And I would love to see your version of the bee, so tag me on Instagram at FacePaintFriends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.